for those looking to slow down.
I think homesteading really just is looking at a way that you want to be more self-reliant in your day-to-day life.
Live closer to the land.
It's returning to our roots and getting back to just figuring out how to do it ourselves.
And feel more self-sufficient.
It looks different for everybody, and there's not a box that you put yourself in.
Coming January 2022, a brand new podcast by homesteaders for homesteaders.
This is Mandy.
This is Angela, and this is the HOMESTEADucation podcast, where we talk all things homesteading, and we want to share our passion and experience for this lifestyle with you.